if you're looking to create a lower third title card reveal like you see in this video here, stay tuned. It only takes about 5 minutes, super simple, and I'll show you how to do it all in Final Cut Pro 10. Alright, so I dropped the video in. I found the spot where he's walking to the frame. I'm going to drop this in. Good, your alpha worked perfect. So the whole deal is to apply a mask to this, so that as he walks, only the portion that is behind, or that's coming in the screen right here, is revealed, and this is hidden. And the way we do that is add a mask to it. So we go over here to Effects. I'm just going to type it in because I don't remember it. Here we go, Draw Mask. This is the one I use. Drop it on the title card. If you created like a title in Final Cut, you would just create a new compound clip. That way you can apply the Draw Mask. And then I just always find kind of a spot like right here. Kind of like getting close to the end of the action like this. And I work backwards. What you're going to do is have this selected and draw your mask. So I'm going to do something like this. And I always give myself a couple of additional dots because I know the shape's going to change. And then I go down below here. You can just do this like that. See, and now it's cut that off, right? So now you're going to want to make keyframes. And this is where it gets tedious, but after you do it a couple times, it goes fast. So you won't want to do the transform because that would actually move this box around, right? We don't really want to do that. I mean, you can at some parts, but it's the control points that you'll want to do. So you'll want to click this here to create your first control point, or a keyframe, and it does it for all of them. I was confused at first when I did it, but it does it for all of them. And now let's just go back one frame, and literally you have to adjust like this. Right, and then you go back a frame, same thing, continue to adjust, back a frame, and I'm probably going to fast forward this, but you get the picture that this is the tedious part, but it looks really cool once it is finished. You can, I mean, this doesn't really matter, but you can move those wherever you need to. Keep going. All right. So that is the finished version. So this is, oh, and we need to fix the very ending here. So let's go here and continue on. I think that's gonna end up pretty nicely. There we go. All right, so now we can track it, and as you can see, now it just reveals kind of right behind him. You can also mess with the feather right here if you want to give it a little bit more of a dynamic. See, I mean, you don't want to go that way, obviously, if you want to just feather it off, but since I do the line pretty close, I just leave it for a nice sharp edge as it comes across. So this is the finished version right here.
Point to start at the beginning of their case and never leave them until the end.
My name is Steve Mumal. I've been working as a CASA advocate. My name is Steve Mumal. I think
I'm going to hold it just a little bit longer since, there we go, since he kind of reveals it that way.
My name is Steve Mumal. I've been working as a CASA advocate for...
Yeah, that's nice. All right, and that's how you do it.